Welcome. Today we will be taking you through the demonstration of credit card reconciliation bot. In this demo, bot is going to perform a reconciliation between MPR report received from merchant banks and the sales report fetched from company's internal sales portal to identify any discrepancies. As a part of this solution, bot will be executing below steps. Step 1. Downloading of MPR report of different bank merchants from an email and saving it into a specified folder. Step 2. Downloading of a sales report from ERP, sales portal and saving into a specified folder. Step 3. Reconciliation of sales report against MPR report. Step 4. Generating the final output report highlighting the exceptions and the potential common entries between sales report and the MPR report. Before running the bot, let's look into the emails which user receives from different bank merchants with MPR report as an attachment. As we can see, the MPR report of each bank merchant has different format. We are set with all the inputs that are required to execute the bot. Let's run the bot now. As we can see, the below log window shows the current action of the bot. It's downloading the MPR report from an email and the sales report from an internal sales portal in the background. Bot has successfully downloaded the MPR report of each merchant into a separate folder. As we can see, the downloaded MPR report are the ones which were received on an email from different bank merchants. Along with the different MPR report, bot has also downloaded the sales report. Bot is currently running. It will reconcile all the transaction entries of the MPR report against the sales report. After reconciling each of the transaction entry, bot will record the remark as matched or unmatched in the output report with specific reason. Bot has now stopped. Let's look into the final output report generated by bot. Bot has recorded all the transactions details of MPR report and sales report in an output sheet after the reconciliation of each transaction. As we scroll, we can see the transaction details are captured for the multiple merchants. Bot has broadly categorized these transactions into 6 different categories under testing remarks 1 column. Now let's filter and look into each category. First one is the absolute match. These transactions are matched after concatenating 4 fields: card number, authorization code, amount and transaction date. For this case, the parameters encrypted card number, authorization code, amount and transaction date of the MPR report are matched with card number, bank authorization code, payment amount and payment date of the sales report. Now let's look into the second category, matched but incorrect amount. These transactions are matched after concatenating 3 fields: card number, authorization code and transaction date. For this case, the parameters encrypted card number, authorization code and transaction date of the MPR report are matched with card number, bank authorization code, payment date. The payment amount of sales report is not matching the transaction amount of MPR report. That's the reason bot has captured the remark as matched but incorrect amount. Now let's look into the third category, potential match. These transactions are matched after concatenating 3 fields: card number, transaction amount and transaction date. For this case, the parameters encrypted card number, transaction amount and transaction date of the MPR report are matched with card number, payment amount, and payment date. The bank authorization code of sale report is not matching with the authorization code of the MPR report. That's the reason bot has marked these transactions as potential match. On selecting the fourth category, potential match but incorrect amount, these are the transactions that are matched after concatenating 2 fields: card number and transaction date. For this case, the parameters encrypted card number, transaction date of the MPR report are matched with card number, payment date of the sales report. The payment amount of sales report is not matching the transaction amount of MPR report. That's the reason bot has marked it as potential match but incorrect amount. On selecting the fifth category, these are the unmatched transactions that are available in the MPR report but are not there in the sales report. That's the reason the details are captured from the MPR report and for sales report it shows blank. These transactions are further verified by the bot. On identifying the possible reason why these transactions were missing from the sales report, bot mentions the remarks under column testing remarks 2 with reason as, sale pertains to the previous month, but sales report used for analysis is of current month. Let's look into the sixth category. These are the unmatched transactions that are available in the sales report but are not there in the MPR report. On identifying the possible reason why these transactions are missing in the MPR report, Bot mentions the reason under column testing remarks 2 as, transaction pertain to be of current month, however settled in subsequent months due to settlement cycle or disputes. While reconciling the data, there can be transactions where the authorization code of the MPR report does not match with the bank authorization code of the sales report. The reason behind the incorrect authorization code could be the wrong manual entry in the sales report by the user. To handle such transactions, Bot has the functionality where it can capture the approval code along with the other transaction details from the charge slips using the OCR technology. The details captured from the charge slips are automatically exported into an Excel sheet. This OCR Excel output can then be used by the bot, while reconciling the data between the MPR report and the charge slips. This brings us to the end of the demo. Thank you for your time.